Hello, my name is González Neira Moreno Puentes. I am studying engineering of telecommunication in NAC University. Eh, I say, hello, my name is González Neira Moreno Puentes. I am studying engineering of telecommunication in the NAC University. I'm going to tell about some aspects of my life. Eh, First, if I could have any job, I think I would like to be a professional soccer player. I think this because I always liked the sport, but especially soccer. I never thought of a job since I was little. I always went to practice multiple sports, although unfortunately I couldn't be a professional in any of them for different reasons unrelated to my talent. Eh, my last job was in the telecommunication sector, where I worked for 7 years, where my functions were basically preventive and corrective maintenance to generator sets, rectifier system work, and the haze, among other functions. It was very important for me because I gained a lot of experience. I made in many parts of Colombia thanks to my work. I made excellent college. See you later. Thanks for listen my history. Bye bye.